BBQ.
All right, y'all. We are leaving the house today, and this is going to be a bit of a different video. I'm not even sure. I'm a little worried because I don't know the direction of this video or how it's going to go, because so here's what we're doing. Let's explain this. I am going to leave the house today. I have the day off. We are headed down to St. Louis, the big old town of St. Louis. And, you know, it's one of those towns, if you blink, you'll miss it. We're going to go down there, and we're going to do a little shopping. I'm going to go, this is my what I call my annual barbecue trip. I don't need a whole lot. I don't need a whole lot of seasonings or anything like that. I really don't need any sauces. I don't need a lot. So I don't really know what I'm going for, except for I want some pellets. I'm out of pellets, so I got to get some pellets. I don't really know what else I really need. I want to look for some like steak weights, stuff like that. A lot of stuff, you know, it's almost Christmas time, so I know a lot of that stuff is probably going to come with Christmas. You know, I got stuff on my Amazon wish list, stuff like that. So I don't really know what I need, so I guess we're just going to go find out and hopefully find some stuff. That's my plan, at least. See what I can find, get myself into. Gonna go to some restaurants and eat. Kind of my day out to go eat what I want to eat. So that's what we're gonna do. So I gotta run by my wife's work and drop her off some creamer. She wanted some creamer, so I gotta drop that off, and then we're gonna hit the road. So take you guys along with us. Like I said, I don't know. I probably won't take you guys into a lot of stores, just because my social anxiety can't handle the fact that I'm in a store filming with a camera, and I really don't like, you know, a lot of stores don't like that anyway, so probably won't do that. So we'll see. I'll probably just do some hauls. We'll see what I get from each place I go to, and you know, whatever, show you guys where I'll go. So anyway, let's just see how this turns out. All right, guys, so we are at our first stop of the day, Rural King. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why Rural King? And if you don't know what a Rural King is, it's kind of like a Tractor Supply or something like that. But I just got to run in here real quick. I need to get a new pair of gloves for work, and this was on the way. So it's not really part of my big barbecue day, but I got to have a new pair of gloves for work. So anyway, gonna run inside real quick, and we'll get back on the road. All right, so went into Rural King. I'm actually at the gas station now, but I went into Rural King, and just like I thought, I would go in there for gloves, and I came out with like $25 worth of stuff. They had an entire section of like pepper and salt and garlic and whatever, like little packets of all these seasonings, and then you can even buy the individual bottles that you can like put your seasoning in, so you can like make your own seasoning and put it in a shaker. Like, it was awesome. Instead of buying like a $5 or $6 bottle of some seasoning, it was like $1 here, $2 here for your seasonings, and then you can just make it all yourself, so you can make what you want. Like, that is genius. Like, why don't more stores have that? I know the Rural King near me doesn't do that, so or they didn't before, maybe they do now, but anyway, so I may have to come back. So I grabbed a bunch of seasonings, and I'm going to try to make some stuff, and then, well, then we may have to do that on another video. I don't know. We may have to try to figure out how to make some of our own stuff. So that might be a video, but anyway, I got gas, and let's go. All right, y'all, stop number 2 for the day, and it's a good one. And it's breakfast, okay? And you guys know me, like, I want to eat some good food, so I want like some really gourmet breakfast, you know what I mean? Like, I want something freaking amazing is what I want. So anyway, here we are. We at the Waffle House, y'all. Let's go get us some food. All right, so we made it to our third stop today. Excuse me. Oh man, my sinus and stuff are all messed up. It is 29 degrees, guys. It's 29 flipping degrees today. It's cold. And anyway, but we made it to our third stop. We made it to the St. Louis, I don't know if you can see that, St. Louis barbecue store. And we're gonna go in and get a couple things. I don't really know that I need that much, but we gotta pick up a few things. I know that for sure. So also, the best thing about going to Waffle House is not only do you get halfway decent food, but the best thing is you always get a show. So, like, the conversations are always great, and I love it. I like going to Waffle House. I don't know why more people don't like going to Waffle House. I mean, you know the quality of food you're getting. You're not getting anything great, but you get a meal, you get a show, and you go on your way. So anyway, that's my little rant. Let's go into the barbecue store and see what I can get. Now, I'm not going to take you guys with me because my social anxiety is not going to let this happen. So, and they probably don't want me in there with a camera anyway. So, anyway, let's go. All right, guys. So, let's real quick. Sorry about the little dot here. I can see it in my thing, but I can't get rid of it. I don't know what's going on. I don't know if it's because of the sun. I don't know. But anyway, real quick, let's go over the haul from the St. Louis barbecue store. One of the ththings I came for, here, let's start with this. I came for this. This was my real thing I came for. It's a clean out thing for your 22-inch Weber kettles. I came for that, so I got one. That's good. Second, we got the Big Bob Gibson's white barbecue sauce. Now, I got this from, my kids love this stuff, and that's who I bought this for. I like it. It's not bad, but that's what I came for. I came for it for them. All right. Third, I've been hearing a lot about this stuff. I wanted to try it. This is Malcolm Reed's Grande Gringo. It's like the Mexican seasoning that they use, and I hear him talk about it all the time. So I got to try it. I've been doing a lot of Mexican food, and I want to try this stuff. So that's a good one. All right, fourth and fifth was a pair. We did the Cosmos cow cover and the Cosmos Texas beef. And I'm blocking the thing here, Texas beef. But, you know, I'm getting ready to do a brisket, and I've been trying to figure out what I want to do with it, so this will be good. This will be good on the brisket, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to use these, so. All right, so on to the next stop, on to stop number 3. Let's go. All right, stop number 3. Stop number 3. We're gonna go in here real quick. I need to get pellets, and I want to get some gloves. Here, I'll show you where we're at. We are at the Academy Sports. And I know what you're thinking, why Academy Sports? Well, let me tell you, Academy Sports actually has a decent selection of like barbecue and grilling stuff. And they have, and hopefully they have some, but they normally carry B&B charcoal and B&B pellets, and I really like them. I really like the B&B brand. I really like Royal Oak too. That was one of the things I was trying to get at the St. Louis barbecue store, was the Royal Oak. That dang thing the dot is still there. Isn't that weird? Okay, I was trying to get the Royal Oak charcoal pellets, and they didn't have any. So we're gonna run in here to Academy, and hopefully they have all the pellets that I want to get. I need to get some gloves too while I'm here. We may even run over. Home Depot's right next door, so we may even run over there and see what they have for pellet selection too. So anyway, I'll be back. All right, so update. Went to Academy. They didn't have the pellets that I was looking for, but I did buy some pellets. I bought some B&B competition blend pellets. They'll work. It's not exactly what I had in mind. I was looking for the flavored ones. They didn't have any of those. I don't know. Maybe they don't make them anymore. I don't know. It's been a while since I bought them because I don't come down here very often. But I got some pellets. I did not get any gloves. I was looking for gloves. They didn't have the Oklahoma Joe's gloves. Probably going to have to order them on Amazon. That's what I did the last time. Kind of sucks. I'd rather just come here and get them. But it is what it is. I was a little disappointed, not gonna lie. A little disappointed in Academy today. Their selection was just a little on the slim side. They had a lot of grills. They were selling a lot of grills, but they did not have a lot of pellets. Their selection was they just didn't have anything. But probably gonna run over here to Home Depot. I'm gonna see if I can find anything in there. If not, I'll just gonna leave. I don't need anything else from Home Depot. I just want to see what pellet selection they have. If they have anything that I'm looking for. And then we'll go to my next stop. So, Home Depot's kind of an added. It's not really a stop. But anyway, let's go over there. All right, second to last stop. I still want to go eat again. I'm gonna go get some lunch. But once again, everybody's looking at me. The guy just like stared at me as he drove by. Anyway, I got this. This is my last really shopping place I'm gonna go to. And I know you're gonna ask why, but they have a decent, and I asked my wife, she was just here a week ago, and I asked her if they still had this area. but they have like a decent selection of like cheap grilling tools, like grilling accessory kind of stuff. Not really like seasonings and sauces and charcoal and all that, but like your turners and your tongs. And last time I was here, I got a steak weight. Last time I here, I got it was like a flipper thing for the hot dogs. Like you put like 6 hot dogs in it, and you can put it on your grill, and you just got to turn it over back and forth. It was awesome. I loved it. But they're cheap. Like they have a big selection of cheap accessories. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go in here. Here, I'll show you the store. All right, it's at home. Kind of a weird thing. I know what you're thinking, but at home. All right, so let's go do some shopping. All right, so you guys know that I like gourmet food. So for our last stop of the day, I'm going all out gourmet, okay? I'm going right here, so you can see it, to Firehouse Subs. Gourmet as gourmet can be. It's the best gourmet sandwich you can get. Okay, it's not gourmet. But let me tell you something. I planned to come down on this trip and eat barbecue today. That was my entire plan for today. It was to run down here. There's a place down here called Sugar Fire Smokehouse. Amazing barbecue. Love it. But I haven't had Firehouse Subs in a while. And the local Subway that's close to my work closed. So I can't get my sandwiches anymore. And I like deli sandwiches. I really do. I don't like all deli sandwiches. I mean, Subway's good. Jimmy John's is okay, except for they have crappy bread. You know, Jersey Mike's, we just got one of those. I don't really know how that is yet. I haven't tried it. But Firehouse Subs is the bomb. We used to have Quiznos, and Quiznos was great, but it was like stupid expensive. And they all closed down. So Firehouse Subs. And not to mention, I'm okay with Firehouse Subs because of the fact that they donate a portion of their proceeds to emergency services. To your fire departments, your EMS, your police departments. They donate money back into them, especially local ones that are local to each business. And if you go inside, they usually have something on the wall or whatever that says it. So that's really cool. I really like it. I support my local emergency services. So anyway, I'm going to go in here. I'm going to get a sandwich. At least I hope I am. This parking lot is packed for some reason. I don't know why, but it is absolutely packed. So anyway, I'm going to go try to get me a sub and then head back to the house. All right, this is what I'm talking about, man. Look at this. I don't know if you can see that. Look at this sandwich looks. Look at that. Man. Looks freaking amazing. But I told them no tomato. They put tomato on it, so that's kind of a bummer. But it is what it is. I'll pick it off. I don't care. All right. Just because in all the videos you got to do a taste test. And I didn't taste test at Waffle House because I was eating in Waffle House. But anyway. It was messy. All right, well, I'm done. I'm done doing my shopping. I'm gonna finish the rest of my sandwich. Sitting here in front of Shoe Carnival because that place was so busy. Like I got into my truck and there was literally a lady waiting to pull into my spot, and she almost didn't give me enough room to even get out of my spot. But I don't know why. Like Firehouse Subs didn't seem that busy. Nothing in there actually seemed busy, especially as I drove by. But there was just like nowhere to park there. It's crazy. I mean, Firehouse Subs was, I mean, there was several people in there, but it wasn't like packed. But anyway, not the point. All right, we're gonna drive home, and when I get home, I will lay everything out and show you what I got, show you all the stuff I got today, and see what kind of haul I got. So I didn't find everything, but I found a lot of stuff I wanted. So anyway, we're gonna drive home. Alright y'all, so if you've made it this far in the video, we're just going to go ahead and show you everything I bought. That way, you know, if there's something I missed, you'll know. Alright guys, so if you've made it this far in the video, I'm going to go ahead and show you everything I bought from today's big barbecue day haul. And I'll show you, just in case I didn't show you everything. I don't think I did, but we'll go over everything real quick. Alright, starting off, the B&B brand 100% all natural wood pellets, the championship blend, has pecan, cherry, and post oak. Good stuff, I've used it before. It's not exactly what I was wanting today, but I need pellets, and this is the ones that I can find that I know I like. So, that works out. Also got this grill brush. It's a cheap one. It's one of these safe ones. I don't know. I picked it up because it was dirt cheap, and I needed one with a new scraper on it, so we're just going to use that. Another steak weight. cheap as well. And it's made of cast iron. I have another one just like this. You've probably seen in videos. Works great. I wanted a real big one, but that'll work. All right, starting off, we also got a little bit of cleaner back here. I don't think I told you guys that. Just some cheap cleaner. I needed something to be able to clean the grills with. The kids love the Big Bob Gibson's barbecue sauce, the original white sauce. We got the Malcolm's Grande Gringo, Cosmos Dry Rub, the Texas Beef Cosmos Dry Rub cow cover. Got the Weber clean out for the bottom of my Weber kettle grill, 22-inch kettle grill. And then, of course, I got some seasonings. You see some seasonings on both sides. And the empty canister shaker thing. So, because I want to make my own kind of all-purpose rub. So, anyway, that's what I got. That was my big day. Didn't spend a whole lot of money. Anyway, we'll see you guys next time on another episode of BBQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. Don't forget to click the links below. The little link tree thing will take you to my merch page. It'll take me to Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, all that stuff. And we'll see you guys next time on another episode of BBQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. Peace.